Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to cast a breakup spell with the help of just glass of water. A glass of water is required and a knife. My dear brothers and sisters, before starting this spell, I would request all of you to make sure that you cast this breakup spell only on certain conditions. For instance, your partner has left you for someone else. Your husband is with another lady. Your boyfriend is with another girl. Your girlfriend has gone away with a new boyfriend. So in these conditions, this spell is acceptable. However, if you are going to try this spell for a natural couple, that is the couple which was made by Almighty God, then this spell will not work. Second thing, the effects of this spell is too powerful that if you have done it properly, then the results of this spell cannot be reversed, and the two people on whom you have cast this spell will never ever see each other, will never ever gonna talk to each other, will never ever gonna have word with each other. This is the most powerful potent spell. If you can help, if you can hold such kind of a revenge, or if you are having such kind of pain, such pain in your heart, then you can try this spell. Now how do we do, or how you need to do? On 22nd, 2nd and on 12th, these are the three days on which this spell cast can be started. On 2nd, 12th and 22nd. First of all, sharp 9 o'clock in the night, you need to sit down on the floor. Sit straightly, your back has to be completely straight, and you need to meditate, you need to pray to your God that whatever wrong or positive I am doing right now, please give me the results. This prayer is ultimately going to give us the results. So if you have made the intentions that for this work I am doing this spell, then definitely I can help you out. Once you have done it, in this glass of water, you are going to write down the name of your partner first of all, or name of the first person between you want the breakup. How you are going to write it? For example, the name is Jam, so you will write J A and M. Like this you are going to write. I am repeating it one more time. J A M, Jam. Then you are going to write down the other person's name, the second person name. For example, it is Seema. So how you are going to do it? You are going to write down the names with the help of knife. Once you have done it, you will be chanting these words. Rahab, Rahab, Jam, Maram, Seema Bhavani. First person's name, second person's name. Now I'm going to tell you, once you have written the names on this water, you will chant it Rahab, Rahab, Jam, Maram, Seema, Bhavani, and you are going to do it like this. Hold the knife like this and like this one time. Once you have done it, again chant the spell Rahab, Rahab, Jam, Maram, Seema, Bhavani with your full force like this. Rahab, Rahab, Jam, Maram, Seema, Bhavani. So in this way you are going to do this spell for 31 times. Once you have done this, take out your knife, go to your washroom, flush this water. This water needs to be flushed down immediately. And for 3 weeks continuously you are going to do this spell. The place and the time, that is, you started this spell at sharp night, so on the first 3 weeks, that is on the next 3 weeks, the place and the time have to be the same. You will start getting the result with the first week only. They will start fighting, they will start having issues between them, they will start quarreling between each other, and their dispute will be ultimately over in 3 weeks when they have completely parted away their ways. This will make sure that your partner comes to you and realizes his or her mistake. This will make sure that your partner is coming to you and you do not face any other problems. He or she will realize your value, that how much love you had for them, how much care you had given to them. And once you have got the results, dear brothers and sisters, don't forget to dispose this knife. Don't forget to dispose this knife, because if you are going to keep any item in your house related to this spell, the negative energy will be always around you. If you need any help, if you have any doubt regarding any instruction, or you want any help regarding this spell, then please don't forget to call on the number or drop a message on the number which is there on your screen right now. Till that moment, take care. God bless you. Bye bye.